So here's the box. Here's my cereal. I'm literally standing here watching them spar. And it's okay. They hear me. They know I'm here. Ooh. Had enough, have you? Yes, we've seen that before. I just think it's funny. Our pets. You guys about finished for the night? Okay. We'll see you tomorrow then. Oh, nope. Maybe. Perhaps. Lean into it. And here we go. I should have betting going on or something. I could make money at this. Oh, whoa. Oh. Man, go get him. Oh, scared you off. Okay, well, I'll see you all again tomorrow.